Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Thank you very much, and again welcome to my YouTube channel English Practice with Selim Reza and my Facebook page English Practice with Selim Reza. I am very thankful to all of you because of your heavy support and cooperation that you are giving to me from the very first day. I am very happy. And dear viewers, you know that Alhamdulillah, I am trying to give some information and enjoyment and different type of sceneries on different topic in English through my channel and through my Facebook page. And I hope that you, inshallah, will subscribe my channel and definitely will, inshallah, cooperate by following my Facebook page, and it will work as the platform of learning and practicing English. And from this very fine environment, very early in the morning, I am welcoming you, and I hope that you all are enjoying every episode, every video, everything in my channel and in my Facebook page. And I think that very quickly, inshallah, it will work as a quick way of learning and practicing English, and it will benefit all of us. And that is my ultimate hope, and I hope that it will become certain very quickly. Thank you very much.